this video I show you how to set a password on the safety administration in the Siemens TIA Portal V20. Before we go ahead and do any modifications on the safety program, I will just show you how to get rid of this exclamation mark, because this is always showing us that something is wrong in the safety program. So in order to get rid of this, I think we will have to set a password. So if we got the safety administration open, there should be a item which is called access protection, and you can see this here. And why can I not change it? Because I think I am online. I guess I have to go offline, and I'm not able to change the password. Why is that? Setup. Okay, here we go. Push the setup and punch in your password. And confirm your password. There's something wrong. What did I do? Okay, now it looks better. All right. So as you can see, the exclamation mark just disappeared in your safety administration, and now we would be able to continue with programming the software part of the S7-1500 program. This will be in the next video. There was just a short video about how to change the access protection for the safety administration in the Siemens TIA portal. Thank you for watching.